Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can sell on Phantom Wallet. So for example, here, if I go to my Phantom Wallet here on my extension, you can see if I try to scroll through any one of these menus, there won't be a sell option. There's only a trade option and also a send or swap option. You can buy, but you can't sell. So how do we sell? We're going to send any of our crypto that we want to sell to an exchange that supports PayPal transfers. So one of the exchange I know that supports PayPal transfer is called Coinbase. So for example, if I click on send here and I want to sell Solana, if I have a Coinbase wallet, I'm going to put the address here and then I'm going to just enter in the Solana amount. So for example, 323, but unfortunately it's insufficient right now because I don't have any Solana. But in your case, you just enter in your address, enter in the Solana, max it out, and then you just have to click next. And then your Solana will be sent to that address. And then from that address, from your exchange that supports PayPal transfer, you just have to extract it out and then get your money on PayPal. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.